So here I am, by myself, having me time. That's the first time since July that I'm without Miguel, and I am not liking it at all. I don't know how I'm gonna survive the next 3 days. Why did I do that? Is it possible to miss someone even though you know you're gonna see them next week? The answer is good morning in the morning. Today it's only gonna be a video from me. It's 5 a.m. I'm in Cancun without Miggy. I thought I'm just gonna take you along the next few days because I have 3 days by myself in Playa del Carmen until my parents come for Christmas. Yeah, I don't know what this video is gonna be about, but just we'll see. We'll see what I do, and I'm gonna take you along. I had an overnight flight from Tijuana to Cancun. Miguel drove home with his family. The bus leaves in 2 hours. I don't know where the heck to wait for this bus. But yeah, let's go find a place to relax for a couple of hours and then see you in Playa del Carmen, I guess. So basically you walk out of the airport, and what do you do when your bus leaves in 2 hours? You sit on the floor or what? So Miguel and I said we're gonna dedicate those 3 days for me to have some me time. But right now I just feel like, what am I gonna do without me? But it's gonna be fine. It's all gonna be fine. For now, we just have to find the seat. Let's see how many coffees I'm gonna drink today. This is numero uno. I'm not the biggest fan of Quintana Roo, especially because I'm a local Mexican now, but it's good for the family vacation. And Miguel and I stayed here, by the way, for 1 month last year in October when I was supposed to start my dive master internship. The only problem is that the check-in at the Airbnb is at 3 p.m. so we have 6 hours to kill now. My suitcase broke almost here. I sat in the cafe, I think, for like 2 hours, and now the Airbnb lady texted me that I can check in 3 hours before check-in time. So I'm walking there right now. Can't wait to shower. We haven't had running water or electricity or a kitchen. This feels like a little luxury vacation. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my Airbnb. I made it. I'm gonna give you a little room tour. It's nothing special, but whew, this is the bathroom. They have a rooftop pool here, so I think I'm gonna go there, read a little bit, try not to feel so lonely. I do miss my Miggy though. I miss Miggy so much. I can't believe he's not here. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the rooftop, maybe read, try to find a yoga studio, something like this for tomorrow and the next few days. And yeah, I guess you'll just see now what I'm gonna be up to. haven't spent time alone in a long time. I just wanted to mention that. Miguel and I have been together non-stop since June. So since then I haven't even spent a night without him. So I have 3 nights by myself now before my parents come. What do people do when they're alone? I used to spend so much time alone, travel alone, live alone. And now let's do this. Good morning, guys. So we have a plan. I'll tell you more about it once I get out of here. So I found a yoga studio that's like, I think 10 minutes walk from my Airbnb. So I'm gonna go now. Planta baja was not the right one. Oh, fuck. This was not the right... What the heck? So this was the right one. I was about to say, Planta Baja is ground floor. Good morning. Ah, I think that's the exit. Anyway, so the plan for today is take a yoga class, go to a coffee shop, have breakfast, edit the video that I want to upload on Saturday, go to the beach, maybe rent a bike, maybe do a little shopping. So I just want this day to be better than yesterday. We can do this. We can do this. The yoga studio is called Copo Yoga and they charge you 720 pesos for 4 classes. Okay, it's 10 now. The class was 1.5 hours. It was very challenging. It was nice to be among people and just like do something for your body. I don't know. I don't remember the last time I did anything close to working out. So today nothing special really happened. I mean, you saw everything that I did. I think it's like 6 p.m. right now. Yeah, it's exactly 6. Tomorrow is Wednesday, the last full day by myself. Today was a very good day. I feel like the time just flew by and now it's the evening already. I found this thing here because there's no dryer here. How am I supposed to hang the clothes with this? Ow. I guess you hang it like... What is that? I've never seen this before. I guess you're gonna see me one more time today. I'm gonna show you how I hang the washing later. Another thing I wanted to say is that I feel that the last couple of days I've been really like reconnecting with my body again, because at the ranch it's been very cold the last couple of months and I'm always wearing sweatpants and a sweater, and I don't know, I don't really look at myself in the mirror, I don't work out, nothing, but I feel like here going to the yoga, going for a swim, and just like walking a lot, I feel like I've been getting more conscious again about my body and how I feel, how fit I am. So yeah, that's been very nice, but it's very cold anyways. So I just got a little ready, and by little ready I mean I put on a different shirt and some pants. It's 3:30 p.m. The only thing I ate today was the muffin I got earlier, so I found a sushi restaurant online and I think I'm gonna go there. I'm taking my book with me. It's called Glück ist kein Ort. It's a German book. There's a guy, he's a journalist who's traveling a lot, and he has like, I think like 10 short stories in here. I already read 2 chapters. Today I'm gonna read the 3rd one. My goal is to read 1 chapter every day, so I should finish the book in total 10 days if I do that correctly. I'm listening to this podcast, by the way, Tokyo Hotel. It's a German band. All my Germans out there know them, and they have a German podcast, and every Wednesday they have a new episode coming up. So today's Wednesday. I've been walking for 30 minutes now trying to find a sushi place. I found 2 on Google Maps. One of them was not open. The second one didn't even exist. So I finished my dinner. It was very mediocre. But I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for sticking around and hanging out with me the last few days. I feel like it really helped me to be fine by myself and be alone for those few days. Talking to the camera and all that stuff, I think made me feel a lot better. My parents are coming tomorrow, so tomorrow by this time I'm already gonna be with them, which is so crazy. I can't believe they're gonna be here tomorrow. I feel like it's hitting me right now. They're gonna be here tomorrow. I feel like the time is just gonna fly by again, and then all of a sudden it's next weekend they're leaving already, and then I'm not gonna see them for half a year again or something. So I'm very excited. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Ciao, cacao.